Hi, it's Owen here from Tonic Studios, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the special offers we've got on this weekend on the Tonic Studios UK and US stores, and they're all to celebrate the Designer's Choice release for November and December, which is the wonderful damask strip die sets. So I'm going to go through with you these wonderful bundles that we've got and just explain to you a little bit more about them, the shades and colours and all the awesome savings that you're going to get. Alright, so first of all we'll kick off with the cardstock that we have. So we've got Craft Perfect cardstock, really high quality card in wonderful designs and colours. Alright, so first of all we've got this wonderful pearlescent pack here, and you get 6 wonderful different colours in pinks, reds and greens, and you've got, well, that's just about green, sort of a really light silver there, and a pinks, really light and pastel-y fresh tones for your cards, which will go lovely with the damask set, which includes butterflies and strips. So really detailed, lovely, sort of bright for the edges, for the borders, whatever you're going to use them for. Next up then we have got a more rustic set of card to go with, which includes classic cards, includes pearlescent card, it's a speciality card as well, paper and mirror card. And yeah, these are more sort of browns, reds and creams, and yeah, really cool if you're looking for a more rustic look to your Designer's Choice die sets. Next up, we'll finish off with the papers and cards here. This is a much more sort of variety set of silvers and pinks, and really, sort of detailed and wow cardstocks. All right, so you've got your pink, your sets, and you're going to get 10 sheets of that. But in these other ones here, you have got this wonderful embossed paper, which you can see on the hearts there, really pretty, and embossed card as well, wonderful details. So really wow card, which is the way I describe them on there too. So yeah, a lovely little paper bundle and card bundle there for you. Next up then we have got some card blanks and envelopes. So there's 10 in each pack. You've got American A2 and A6. So if you're looking to create sort of smaller designs, if that's the style of card that you go for, these are great, and yeah, sort of craft card doesn't go out of fashion. So really cool set. We've got some Nouveau drops for you here, and these again, matching with that Designer's Choice damask strip die set in pinks and rustic tones. So whichever set or card set you get, these are going to go lovely with those. All right, so you get those 5 there for you too. And Nouveau drops, if you've never tried them before, where have you been? You've got to try them. All right, so, and then finally we have got a confetti, sequin and glitter set. We've got 2 of the Cross My Heart, and they come in these wonderful 35 milliliter pots in pinks and bright, really sort of girly, bright feminine colours. And then you've also got this sort of luxurious golden year set, which is sequins in translucent sort of whites and silvers and golds as well. So you've pretty much got a broad selection of Nouveau to work with in the bundles this weekend. All of them are up to 50% off on these bundles. They're available on the store from Friday all the way until Monday. And then after that they won't be available, so best get them while you can. So that's it from me explaining these bundles, but I hope to see you soon.